don't mind the air compressor. It's not really on. It's just sitting there, but I'm just admiring my work. I got all the wiring rewrapped except for the wiring under the vehicle. And I'm gonna get down there probably tomorrow and rewrap it. So I just want everything to be protected. But yep, I just need to attach my exhaust pipes. I need to get the upper intake manifold / throttle body installed. I gotta install the compressor. I can't find the bolts for it, so I'm gonna probably have to go buy some. What else I gotta do? I gotta get new coolant lines. That's really what's got the project on hold right now. Coolant lines and me draining the old gas out. But other than that, that's why you see so many random coolant lines, like meow, meow, meow. And then the sun sitting over there. Can't see it. But yeah. So that, and what else I gotta do? Spark plug wires. I'm upgrading to the 8mm spark plug wires. It's another thing I'm waiting on. But yeah. Yippers. Yipper dipper. Beautiful. I just love it so much.